Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on the TikTok app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Now, tap on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Next, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Now, locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 6. Next, find the Comments option and tap on it. Step 7. Now tap on Allow Comments from the option at the top of the screen. Step 8. Next, under Who can comment on your posts, you will see 3 options: Everyone, Friends, or No one. Final step, for the last and most important step, tap on No one to select it. And now, comments are turned off on your TikTok account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.